and my mom went secondhand shopping for under $20, and we wanted to do a room tour video so I can show you guys how to sparkle and dazzle up your room. So let's get started. So the first thing you see when you walk in my door is this picture that says, "This is my happy place." I got this at Big Lots for $12. So yeah, I really like that. And then I got this from Marshall's for $7, and we checked on Amazon, and it said that it was $14, which was twice the price. So we decided to get this, and yeah. So also some other really good places are like Marshall's and Kohl's and TJ Maxx and Ross. They have some really awesome stuff like this that are cheaper, sometimes cheaper than Amazon. So the next thing is these pictures. So I also got these from Big Lots, and I got these ones for $10, and they just absolutely match my bed perfectly and the other picture. So yeah. And then the next and the last things are these. So I got this at the secondhand store. So we got these two little owls. They're kind of heavy, but that's what they look like. That's the back. And then we got a little one and the back of it. And this one was $3. This one was $2. And then another thing we got was this mason jar. So we put like my pens, my pencils, colored pencils, scissors, glue sticks, crayons. Yeah, and we got this for $8 at the secondhand store. And we got this for 50 cents at the secondhand store, and it's like this gold basket, and I put little random things in it. I put like measuring tape and squishies and jewelry and slime and sunglasses and my calculator. Yeah, so that was really cute, and I got it for 50 cents. And then I got this dresser and this TV for free from one of my mom's friends. And these knobs, we got them on Amazon for $10 for 12, which was really surprising because whenever we went to Home Depot, they were $5 for each knob. And so we went on to Amazon and we saw some 10 for $10. So yeah. And that concludes this under $20 secondhand store room tour. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what I should do for my next video. And don't forget to hit the bell in the corner. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!